Welcome students, I am K. Mishra, your science teacher. Welcoming online classes of science arranged by our school LFS Madhupuram Basti. Students, as you know, plants are very important for us because we get our food from plants. Clear? Any living thing, any living organism which is present upon the surface of earth is become dead if we don't get food. Clear? So students, for every living organism, whether it is plant or animal, intake of food is very essential. Any living organism, whether it is ant, whether it is insect or fish or an elephant. For each and every living organism, living animal, living plant, intake of food is very essential because food is very essential to continue the life processes occurring inside any living organism's body. किसी भी living organism की body में respiration, circulation, digestion, excretion ऐसे ढेर सारे processes 24 hourly होते रहते हैं. So to continue these processes which are very essential for survival of life upon the surface of earth are continuously going on. These processes combinedly are known as life processes as written in your book. Open your book, chapter number 1, students, which is how do plants live? How do plants live? This is first chapter in your book. सबसे पहले आपको हम book बता दें. Purchase this book. Zoom in Science for class 7. Purchase this book. And in this book, today I am going to introduce you chapter number 1, which is how do plants live. ठीक है? Now, open this page number, first chapter. Plants take nutrition. Any animal take nutrition. Plants are green in color. Why plants are green? Why not you green, mister? Why plants are only green? Because plants are having a special pigment inside them. Because of presence of that pigment, plant looks green in color. Clear? First of all, I want to tell you something about nutrition. I have explained you about life processes. Now come to nutrition. What is nutrition? Without nutrition, life doesn't exist. You can say nutrition is the process of taking food, utilize it, assimilate it and excrete it through the body of an living organism. ये तो इसकी एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन है. आप लोग इतना ही जानिए, न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स to get food for energy, to get food from external environment for energy purpose. Clear? It is nutrition. How many types of nutrition is just I am going to tell you. Come to nutrients. What are nutrients? I think all of you are very strong, are healthy. Why you all are healthy? Because you are taking sufficient and delicious and nutritious food daily. We used to take nutritious food. We should take a balanced diet. What is balanced diet, students? Balanced diet means when our meal is rich in carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals and water, then such diet, such meal is known as balanced diet. Clear? हमको कैसा डाइट लेना चाहिए? बैलेंस डाइट लेना चाहिए. बैलेंस डाइट मीन्स ऐसी डाइट, ऐसी मील जिसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी प्रेजेंट हो सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी में, प्रोटीन भी प्रेजेंट हो सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी में, फैट, vitamins and minerals, and all these things are cooked and mixed with appropriate amount of water. All these things are called nutrient. Suppose at the morning when you come to school, what happens? You take your breakfast. Tell me few names which you used to take in your breakfast. Suppose you take parathe and vegetable you take. Then what nutrient, what will you find in paratha, in that paratha? Students, paratha or chapati or puri, all these things are made up of what? Wheat flour. Wheat flour. Wheat comes from where? Crop field. Wheat is a rabi crop. So wheat comes from crop field. From this wheat flour is made. Actually, wheat contains carbohydrate. It provides us carbohydrate. So students, we get carbohydrate from wheat, carbohydrate from paratha, carbohydrate from puris. Clear? That puris which you came in front of you during lunch time in school, that puris also contains what? Carbohydrate. And of course, these puris contains few fats also, because in the preparation of that paratha or puri, some refined is also used. Clear? Now, all these things which are present in your food, in your meal, in your breakfast, in your lunch, they are known as nutrients. So, suppose take the example of vegetable, or take the example of spinach, take the example of all these things like salad. What green vegetables provide us? Green vegetables or leafy vegetables provide us minerals and vitamins in sufficient quantity. What pulses provide us? Pulses of arahar, of peas, of grams, they used to provide us proteins. And which type of food is protein? Protein is bodybuilding food. Protein is bodybuilding food, and protein ingredient is present in sufficient quantity in all type of pulses, in milk and milk byproducts like curd. Clear? All this thing contains protein. Protein is also an ingredient of our food and a major ingredient of our food. Now come to carbohydrate हो गया, protein हो गया, come to fat. Fat is also a nutrient which is present in our food, and it is very essential for maintenance of our body temperature. Fat is very essential ingredient for maintenance of our body temperature. आपको पता है बच्चों, दोनों की बॉडी का टेम्परेचर हमेशा फिक्स होता है. कितना है हमारा नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर? 98.4 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. 98.4 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. So students, to maintain our body temperature we need fat, and this fat comes from all the edible oils like mustard oil which we are using in our food, refined oil, soya bean oil, all the coconut oil, deshi ghee, all these oils provides us fat, and fat is known as protective food or temperature regulating food. All these three, combination of all these three kinds of food is known as balanced diet. So nutrients are something which are very essential for proper maintenance of any living organism's body. Next thing is photosynthesis. Next thing is cell. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. This is the exact definition of cell. Now, in my opinion, cell is the basic unit. Cell is the smallest unit of any living organism. Suppose this is a leaf. This is a leaf of any plant. If we observe only this part of the leaf under compound microscope, then it looks like here. What is this? This is stomata, which is made up of two cells. These two cells are known as guard cells. Guard cells. And these guard cells are having chlorophyll or chloroplast. Because of presence of chlorophyll or chloroplast inside them, these guard cells used to do photosynthesis. They used to prepare their own food by themselves. And in between these two guard cells, there is a small opening which is known as stomata. This is opening known as stomata. Through these stomata, plant used to take oxygen in the process of respiration and carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis. Clear है? अभी पूछते हैं फिर आपसे. Now students, cell is the smallest unit of any living body. Come to this one, autotroph, photosynthesis. I conclude all these two terms in this. Nutrition is of two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. This is written in your book. टेक अ व्यू ऑफ योर बुक ऑल्सो. अपने बुक अपने सामने ओपन किए रहिए और हम जो कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं उसको बुक में देखिए. आप बुक में सब लिखा हुआ है बच्चों. न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑफ टू टाइप: ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. Autotrophic means the type of nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which any living organism is capable to prepare its own food by itself. जब कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपना फूड अपने से प्रिपेयर कर ले तब ऐसे न्यूट्रिशन को कहते हैं ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. ठीक है. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स it is such type of nutrition in which any living organism cannot prepare its own food by itself, but for the same food it depends on another autotrophs. This is it. समझ में आएगा? चलिए थोड़ा सा ऑटोट्रॉफिक के बारे में बात करते हैं. ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन वही ऑर्गेनिज्म कर सकता है जिसके पास पिगमेंट क्लोरोफिल हो, प्लास्टिड्स हो. Only those living organisms can do photosynthesis which are having chlorophyll inside them. All leaves or green parts of any plant contain this green pigment chlorophyll. And with the help of this chlorophyll, all green plants used to do photosynthesis. As a result of photosynthesis, any green plant prepare its own food by itself. Clear? As I told you that if we take this portion of leaf and observe it through compound microscope present in your school's bio lab, then it is seen to be a small opening here, which is known as stomata. And stomata is covered by two big cells which are known as guard cells. Guard cells. Inside these guard cells, nucleus and chloroplast are present. Clear? Chlorophyll is also present in guard cells. Clear? These guard cells are able to do photosynthesis in presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and mineral. फोटोसिंथेसिस हम आपको अलग से बताएंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस के बारे में बताएंगे बच्चों. योर टुडेज टास्क इज ड्रॉ डायग्राम ऑफ स्टोमेटा फ्रॉम योर बुक इन योर होमवर्क कॉपी. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. एंड हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज autotrophic, heterotrophic. What is autotrophic nutrition and what is heterotrophic nutrition? What is cell? What are nutrients? What is life process? What are autotrophs? Autotrophs are those which are able to do photosynthesis, which are able to prepare their own food by themselves. ठीक है, they are known as autotrophs and this type of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Today students we have studied about all these things about introduction of this chapter. In next online video I will tell you about photosynthesis in detail. Okay, so students, this is all about today. Wait for my next online class. Thank you class. Thank you.